What's up, home skillet biscuits? It's Haley BTV back with another video. So today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to put on magnetic eyelashes. So these are the Ardell Professional Magnetic Accents. These actually are not the anyways, they are the half of lash. They are not the full side set. So they like go on the side and you kind of blend in your natural lash width to make it like look more natural. That's why I like these. There we go. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that today because I get asked all the time, Haley, how do you put on magnetic lashes? Like, how does that work? So today's video is going to be me showing you how to do that. So the first thing you want to do, the key to putting on magnetic lashes is to put on mascara first. You can't just plop these on and expect it to look natural. So that's what you want to use first is mascara. So today's mascara, I'm going to be using Great Lash by Maybelline, Old Faithful. This is the curved blackest black. Y'all know what it looks like. So yeah, and it has this curved wand. Nothing is focusing. Oh my gosh. Okay, so yeah, that's what we're going to be using today. So you can see, and I'm looking in the viewfinder if you're wondering what I'm looking at, but you're just going to put this on your lashes. You're not going to do a really thick coat. You just want to kind of spread your lashes out. Especially these front ones, because you know, there's not, you know, we don't have a full lash, we have half a lash, so we want to make it look as like an even flow, like a gradual increase to the longer ends of the lash, magnetic lash. So yeah, so you guys, graduated college about, oh my gosh, okay, there we go. Graduated college about a week ago, and I got a degree in mass communications. Now my eye is watering. It's great, it's great. Okay. This is not normal for me, like usually need a whole bathroom for this, but we doing it in my room, so okay, so that's enough mascara. Typically want to let this like dry for just a tad before you put the lashes on. You kind of want to do like you normally would do lash glue and let the mascara get a tad bit tacky before you apply them. They focus. So these are what the lashes look like. Like I said, they're not the full lash, they're only like half the lash, and you're just gonna put these on the outer edges of your real eyelashes. And I'm gonna try to keep these together. I actually have another pair of these, and like I think they're getting a little old, because like some of the lashes, you know, a lash fell out the other day and I was like, oh my gosh, you know, and I've had these lashes for like a good year. So I think that's awesome. But I saw these, and these were actually a really good price. These actually retail for about $9.99, and I know now they come with the magnetic eyelash applicator. So I'm wondering how that works. I kind of want to get a pair to see how that helps with the application process. So I think my lashes are a little tacky now, upper and lower part. So this part goes on the top and then this part goes on the bottom. Okay, so we're gonna be showing you how to do that. And you're gonna put your top lash in between these. That's all it is. I'm trying to take these off easily. You want to be gentle with these because yes, they're like built to last long, but still, like, chill out, bro. There's a gradual increase in the lash. Like, they're not, all these lashes are not the same length, and the tip is to put the shorter lash where your lashes would naturally be shorter, so like in the inner corner, and you would match it with that eye. So this eye, and no, you're not gonna get this on the first time. Like, it took me like 1100 million, and you're probably gonna have to redo this again. But you know, I just want to be real and transparent with you guys. This is not an easy process. This is definitely not an easy thing to do. But I just like the fact that they are, you know, reusable. And okay, so I think I kind of got the top one on. I'm gonna scoot it over a little bit because that doesn't look natural, so we're just gonna scoot it over just okay. I feel like that's a little better. What y'all think? Okay, so now we're going to put the bottom one on. Now you just line it up with where you have the lash now. So you're just gonna line it up. Ooh, this is so difficult. Oh my gosh. But it's worth it, you guys. I'm trying to tell you. Okay. I don't even know if it's on, because I feel like it's on, but okay. I think I got it, you guys. I think I got it. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna have to take that off because that looks ratchet. Are they on? Okay. So finally, after several attempts, let me zoom out so you guys can get the full effect. Okay, you guys, so I have just applied these magnetic lashes. Yes, it took me about 20 minutes to do, but I mean, you guys, like, the great part about it is all you have to do is just like take them off when you get done, and you know, just blend them in. Just put mascara on, you know, and it's not damaging to your lash. It doesn't hurt, and you get a good pair of lashes that stay curled. Like I said, like I've had my other ones, these are my other ones, for like a year. Oh, these are actually different accents. I didn't know I got these are accents number 2. These that I have on are number 1s. So these are my accents. So this is how they look. They basically look like the same thing, but like I said, I've had these for a year. Okay, so like I said before, I've had the accent 2s for about a year, and they've held up really, really nicely. They are a great investment. So I suggest like everybody get some. I'll link them down below so you guys can get them. Like I said, it takes some getting used to. Don't be discouraged. Like, you will learn how to put these lashes on and you will be on fleek, okay? And everybody gonna be like, wow, are those your real lashes? Like, you guys, I get that so much. They're like, oh my gosh, like, did you get lash extensions? Or, you know. And I'm like, no girl, they're magnets. They're magnets. And they're like, how that work? So now you know. So I'm gonna just direct people to this video if they want to learn how to put on magnetic lashes. Like I said, just use mascara. It's gonna make the process so much easier. Hardest part is getting them to lay on your lash and blending, because you want them to look natural. Like, you don't want like it just to look like, oh, there's lashes right there and there's lashes right there. You want a gradual flow of short to long lashes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.